Are you interested in Docker orchestration? Would you like to uncover deep insights and pitfalls of AWS? Do you want to see the real power of Terraform and Ansible at real commercial examples? Or maybe you are looking for materials that will help you to arrange your DevOps theory knowledge with the prism of practice. If yes, then you are definitely at the right place, as at current course you will touch all about mentioned areas while learning how to deploy highly available Elasticsearch cluster at AWS using different scenarios and DevOps tools. Hi, my name is Sergey Demyanchik. I have over 17 years experience in different IT areas. Currently, I am working as a CTO and architect at one of the biggest Europe transport marketplace, ClickTrans. Here I want to represent my second course devoted to Elasticsearch and different DevOps aspects around it. The first one course, which was devoted to Elasticsearch basics, how to work with Elasticsearch using popular programming languages and frameworks, appeared to be very successful. It gathered over 1,000 students within 8 months, got very positive feedback, and the blog around the course gathered over 20,000 users. But there is one problem. Students from my first course, the same as readers of my blog, constantly ask me different questions related to DevOps issues around Elasticsearch. That is why that course appeared, and it is called AWS DevOps Elasticsearch at AWS using Terraform and Ansible. First of all, I want to note that the current course is not for beginners. To start it, you should know Terraform Ansible basics. You need to have an AWS account and understand basic AWS conceptions, equal VPC, EC2, security groups. You also have to be good at Docker and to be familiar with Docker orchestration. It is not the course where you will find coding exercises on how to write to do Terraform or Ansible modules. At that course, you will get ready working solutions used in commercial life that can be easily extended to new requirements. The course consists of 5 main modules. The first one is about how to deploy Elasticsearch at AWS service, which is called OpenSearch. Here I will tell you about interesting OpenSearch pitfalls that I discovered during my commercial practice, and believe me, you will not find that information at AWS documentation. You will get a ready Terraform module for deploying the OpenSearch cluster, and we will analyze it step by step together. In the second part, I will show you how to deploy an Elasticsearch cluster at ECS, Elastic Container Service. And again, we will use the Terraform modules for that. I will show you why you can't use Fargate in that case and how many problems should be resolved to deploy Elasticsearch at ECS. Next course session is about how to deploy Elasticsearch at EC2 instances using Docker Swarm. I will prove to you that it is the easiest and at the same time the most cheap way to deploy Elasticsearch at almost any cloud for most small and middle companies with a steady growth pattern. You will get ready Terraform modules that will allow you to prepare AWS infrastructure and Ansible modules for deploying Elasticsearch cluster upon it. The first part is devoted to autoscaling possibilities of Elasticsearch cluster using different deployment approaches. We will talk about what we really can autoscale, when we can use it, and what big limitation we have in case of working with Elasticsearch. The fifth module is devoted to the theory. If you are already familiar with Elasticsearch cluster conceptions and everything that is related to shards and Elasticsearch performance, then you can skip it. But if not, that is the place where you have to start from. In the end, I will provide the summary with pros and cons for different deployment scenarios with concrete practice examples related to different types of overloading and amount of data. But it is not the end of pleasant and useful things. At the course you also get a lot of additional bonuses. At first, all examples from the course are available for free as resources for all students that are enrolled in studying. Secondly, you also get a 30 days guarantee to get money back in case you are not satisfied with the course for some reasons. And third, I will be answering all your questions twice per week to help you in resolving all problems you will meet on your learning road. That is the end of the course short overview. If you are ready to start, hit the button to enroll now or view the roadmap course introduction video to get more information. See you in the course!